Okay, let's talk side hustles, but forget about pouring coffee or stacking shelves from minimum wage. In this explainer, we're diving into some seriously high-value opportunities for students in New Zealand, hustles that are actually designed to set you up for the future, not just help you scrape by.
If you're a student in NZ, I bet this feels familiar, right? The financial pressure is real. You're trying to juggle lectures, study, and somehow afford, well, life. You need an income that actually works with your schedule and pays you for your brain, not just your time.
And this number? This is a huge part of the problem. That's the annual inflation rate. All it really means is that your rent, your groceries, your textbooks, everything is getting more expensive fast. So you don't just need to work harder, you need to work smarter.
So where do we find these smarter hustles? Well, you're not going to believe it, but they're hiding in plain sight, inside boring government regulations. I know, it sounds super dull, but stick with me, because this is where the real money is hiding.
Think of it like this. Whenever the government changes the rules, it's like they're dropping a new playbook. Suddenly, there are new problems that need solving and new markets just waiting to be tapped into. For anyone paying attention, it's a massive, massive advantage. And listen, this isn't some abstract theory for the future. These are time-sensitive opportunities with hard deadlines. The clock is already ticking on new language service standards, and huge shifts in banking and tenancy laws are right around the corner. Let's break down how these deadlines create actual, real-world hustles you can start.
All right, first up, let's talk about the hustles for those of you with some specialized knowledge. If you've got a particular skill set, this section is definitely for you. Our first opportunity is a big one. If you're bilingual or multilingual, you need to listen up, because this goes way beyond just simple translation work. So get this. As of July 1st, 2024, brand new government standards for language services just kicked in. This has created a sudden, massive demand for accredited specialists. If you can get that certification, you can start charging serious professional hourly rates working with government agencies and other organizations.
Next up, one for all you finance majors, business students, or honestly, anyone who just geeks out on a good spreadsheet.
Okay, so starting in December 2025, new open banking rules are going to force the big banks to be way more transparent with their data. This creates an amazing opportunity for you to become an optimization coach. You can dive into this new data, show people how to save a ton of money on their mortgages, savings accounts, and insurance, and charge a really healthy consulting fee for your expertise. Okay, let's switch gears a bit. The next bunch of hustles are all about tapping into brand new consumer markets and digital opportunities that are opening up as we speak. Now, this next one might sound a little random at first, but trust me, it's a huge market that's about to explode, all thanks to a small change in tenancy law. Right, so from late 2025, new rules are making it way easier for renters to have pets. You know what that means? Thousands and thousands of new pet owners who suddenly need services. We're talking obedience training, pet insurance consulting, premium pet sitting. It's a niche market that's about to become mainstream. Here's a fantastic opportunity to do something genuinely good for the community and earn well while you're at it, just by focusing on consumer protection. New Zealand's Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment, or MBI, is going hard after financial scammers right now. You can get in on this by becoming an educator. Think about it. You can create and run workshops teaching people how to spot scams. It's an incredibly valuable service you can charge for, especially for groups who are most at risk. This next one is super practical. It's all about helping people save money on those bills that just never, ever stop coming. You know the ones. So MBIE keeps a close watch on utilities like broadband and power, and there are all these free comparison tools online. The thing is, most people are just too busy to use them. That's where you come in. You become the specialist who turns all that confusing data into simple savings for your clients, and you take a flat fee or a percentage of what you save them. It's a total win-win. Now for our final hustle, I've saved a big one. This one has absolutely massive potential, and all it takes is looking across the ditch to our neighbors in Australia. Just look at that number. The average weekly wage in Australia is over $2,000. The market is bigger, the products are worth more, and the competition is fierce, which creates a perfect opening for a smart digital marketer sitting right here in New Zealand. And here is the absolute best part. You do not have to live there to earn there. From your dorm room, you can use your digital marketing skills to generate leads for high-value Aussie products, like mortgage refinancing or premium insurance.
The commissions are huge and you're earning in a stronger currency. It's kind of a no-brainer.
Okay, wow, we've covered a lot of ground. So how do you actually put all of this into practice? Let's distill it all down into a clear, winning strategy that you can use.
Here it is, your 3-step game plan. First, find your niche. What are you good at? What do you find interesting? Start there. Second, leverage those regulatory shifts we've been talking about. Use the new rules as your secret weapon to get into the market. And third, and this is the most important part, make sure you are solving a real, high-cost problem for people. That's how you provide incredible value and earn what you're really worth.
And that brings us to the end. The playbook is right here, the opportunities are real, and those deadlines are approaching. So the only question left to ask is the one right there on your screen. Which new rule will you turn into your new income?